Xiamen Ginyi Machine Company is an import and export company close to Xiamen Seaport with excellent international business transport condition. We have our own factory in Jinjiang City, Fujian Province, China. With about 10 years experience, main-produced narrow fabric machine like high-speed shutless needle loom, high-speed flat loom, multi-weft needle loom, computerized jacquard needle loom, double jacquard loom, electric weft jacquard loom, and other auxiliary machine. After continuous efforts and innovation, we now obtained CE certification and 4,000 square meters workshop. Have 2 sets CNC equipment with good quality professional staff, advanced forging equipment and scientific management system, and strong research and development capabilities. Our machines are wide approved by our domestic and overseas customer. Since company founding, we devoting ourselves to produce high-quality machine in China and the top brand in the world. After long-time research, we make our machine quality better and better, more suit for customers' requirement, in order to let customer know more about us. We attend professional international textile machine exhibition each year, like Bangladesh DTG, India Udyog, Thailand GFT, Shanghai ITMA, face-to-face show our machines to customer. Every step what we do is to make more precision equipment, supply better service to customer. Welcome to visit our factory. Come to check and use our equipment. Hope to cooperate with you.